My name is Marsella Fabre. I'm from South America originally, but now I live here in U.S. in Lake County, Leesburg, Mount Dora area.
Marsella is a busy real estate agent and in 2011 was a mom to 2 middle schoolers.
I was the taxi driver for my children, of course. I had to go with them to all the band practice at school, soccer, football, all the activities. I'm also a professional and a real estate agent. And I was working for a big company.
Marsella managed to juggle it all until Easter of that year.
The weekend of Easter, I decided to decorate for Easter with a little eggs. Unfortunately, I have a fall. I fell and high, about like 4 feet high, and I fell on my back. That was the day that all my nightmares start.
Not willing to swallow her pride and admit she was in pain, Marsella tried to carry on with life as usual.
Just driving, it was painful, and I found out that I was unable to move my neck to the left side. My legs didn't respond to me. The stairs was a nightmare. Any step, that was terrible. I had no stability, and then I found out that my arms, especially my right arm, stopped working properly. Since I couldn't use my right hand, I used my iPad, and I just used my little stick, and I became actually left-handed. And to sign papers, I have a stamp with my signature. Even though I was having fun, inside me I was scared because I was saying, oh my goodness, what's gonna happen? Is this gonna be my future? Is this what I'm gonna be ending? I didn't want that.
But the worst pain, Marsella says, came from the headaches.
I call it my black headaches because there was nothing that can take it away. It just lasts hours, days sometimes. It took me almost 4 years to find relief. And a woman's faith, so I had people praying for me. And I prayed to God to please heal me.
Marsella went to other doctors for x-rays and MRIs and was diagnosed with issues in both her lumbar and cervical spine. She was told she needed surgery. However, due to pre-existing conditions, Marsella knew she could not have general anesthesia.
Even though my doctor says not to go through the general anesthesia, and I called them and said, well, I won't be able to do it because of this. And they say, no, that's fine, we just can't do it. We're fine to do it. And I just knew that wasn't the right place.
That's when Marsella knew she needed to call the Bonati Spine Institute.
Since the first day that we walked in the place with my husband, everyone was amazing, even the person who welcomed us. When you are in pain, you are so sensitive to everything. It's a good place for you to be, and I felt it that way.
Marsella underwent 4 Bonati spine procedures, 2 at C5-C6 and 2 at L5-S1.
I was able to see the procedure, and I knew them. And they prepared me for that. They said that they will be asking me questions. They want to be sure that they were working on the right nerve. First 2 surgeries, my headaches went away. I'm telling you, the first night, I didn't have any headache. Dr. Utex, he told me, he said, you're never gonna have this headache ever again. And it's a promise that it's a year today and it's still there, praise God, yes.
It's a sensory branch that goes to the meninges, and that is the cover of the spinal cord. Now, when you touch that area, the patients develop a headache. And then if that meningeal branch is being twisted or is being affected, usually the patients have large amount of headaches. It's amazing to see that when you correct that bulge and you correct that deformity and you free that nerve a little bit, those headaches go away.
Today, Marsella is back to showing houses on a regular basis, and she's walking steady and is happy to be signing paperwork herself.
Yes, I'm able to sign my own name, praise God. That's wonderful. I kept my my stamp as memory because you had to remember where you were so you can be thankful for where you are now.
Marsella is grateful to all the Bonati Spine Institute's doctors, but says ultimately it's through her faith that she knew a solution was out there to get her through the pain.
And thank goodness I find Dr. Bonati Institute. They fixed me. I'm back to normal. Whoever is listening to me now, honestly, this is real.